Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Deepthi, and I have the pleasure of introducing to you a proud Amazonian, Dr. Nandita Mehta. She has secured an amazing rank, 15 in INICT July 2021 session. So welcome, Nandita. Uh, it's such a pleasure to have Nandita here. So Nandita, awesome rank, uh, securing rank 15. I just introduced you. I think your audio was off. So I just introduced you with such amazing rank, and it is such a pleasure to have you here. So, Nandita, how do you feel?
Thank you so much.
Yes, so we were having a candid talk, and I really want her to tell her first feeling. I asked her how she's feeling, and I want her to use that term now.
The feeling is of such a relief after so long. I
Yes.
can finally rest my books at a place where they can.
Yes.
I don't want to see them again for some time now.
Sure. And when I was talking to her candidly, she said, "Ma'am, बहुत free feeling आ रहा है." And I can totally imagine that because if the exams have been delayed for such a long time and it wasn't easy. This phase wasn't easy at all. I don't think it was easy for anyone.
Right,
So
ma'am.
yes, when
Right.
you reach on to the other side, it definitely feels a little free, and you want to now take some time off and be yourself. So awesome,
True.
Nandita. Nandita ki journey has been, has a wonderful journey. She started fairly early preparing for her exams. So she's been a foundation 3 year student with us, and she followed it up with TND as well. So नंदिता मुझे बताओ जब फाउंडेशन में प्री फाइनल ईयर में क्लासेस शुरू करी थी तब क्या नंदिता को ये पता था that she'll be securing a rank 15 in such a prestigious exam?
Never, ma'am. There was always the doubts about your own self because looking at the kind of tech content that we had to learn, the kind of concepts that we had to grasp, they were very vast. From all
Yes,
19 subjects, it was very vast. So
I can. Yes, go ahead, go ahead.
yeah, so I was saying it is very vast for anybody, and it takes time. It takes a lot of time and dedication, and probably a setup to be able to, sit for those many hours and be able to learn. For example, sitting in a Sunday class for 12 hours, it is never easy for the teachers, for the students, but then that is what is needed
Yes.
to be able to get
So
on the other side.
that's and to get on the other side with such flying colors, because eventually you're competing for small number of seats. We want clinical branches, and then the fight gets even more harder. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
you you also have to push yourself a little extra mile for it.
True,
And
true.
in this journey, Nandita, there are different people who start at different phases of their preparation. मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ, do you think starting early sort of helped you here to give you the push that you needed?
Definitely. When you go to a class and to interact with students, you really get to know how well have they prepared, what is their mindset, and it's only a matter of time. If you catch up early, you'll obviously get to a good place. You will have that amount of time because time is what is needed. You need time to grasp 19 subjects, absorb those concepts, and be able to reproduce that at the exam in front of your desktop, right? So you need lot of time and lot of and dams gives you that. Starting early obviously is very good.
That's true because उससे ना हमारा हार्ड वर्क थोड़ा सा डिवाइड हो जाता है इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट पुटिंग एवरीथिंग इन द
Exactly.
लास्ट 7-8 months आप थोड़ा सा
Exactly.
उसे स्ट्रीम कर सकते हो नंदिता यहाँ पे मैं जानना चाहती हूँ बेटा बिकॉज there is always going to be different forms of preparation but मुझे I really want to know from you how important do you think was for you in this journey to come and attend a class to make your own handwritten notes and to be there face to face with a teacher because this is something we're really lacking now. So, I think you've seen both sides. एक तरफ जहाँ बिल्कुल खुद से करना पड़ रहा है और एक तरफ जहाँ you had to come and you had your peer group around, you had the teacher with you, you could ask your doubts, you could actually touch each other as well. So, tell
Those classes were amazing. Probably Saturday and Sunday, the weekend classes, they were very productive, and we could use it in a good way. Obviously it was tiring, no doubt,
Yeah.
but then it turned out to be good. Vis-a-vis to now online classes, you cannot ask doubts. You are more of relying on the material given, like the handwritten notes which are available. So making your own notes is very important. You can write some things on the sides and underline them, and sort of make a picture memory of your notes. That is very
True.
important. Getting a
True.
picture memory is very important.
Yes, because I feel that every student will have different aspects of notes that he or she forgets or feels is volatile. किसी को कुछ एक part weak लग सकता है, किसी को कुछ और. And you as a student, you have to know what part do you have to stress on, and that's where your own notes sort of helps.
Correct,
And
very correct,
also,
ma'am.
Nandita, tell me that you joined when you were in your pre-final year, right? So tell me that how useful was it for your professional exams as well, and do you think you were getting an advantage there as well?
I did obs and gynae completely from your notes, to be true.
Okay, and
Completely from your notes.
I hope
Many
I met your expectations.
and a lot of subjects, for example medicine, so used to make us flow charts for an
Yeah,
easy grasp of
yeah.
things. And surgery, they were so comprehensive, so they give you an edge in the professional exams as well.
राइट. आप नंदिता मुझे ये बताओ कि प्रॉफ के बाद या इंटर्नशिप के साथ जब हम तैयारी कर रहे थे व्हेन यू वर डूइंग योर टेस्ट एंड डिस्कशन, तब क्या स्ट्रैटेजी थी? हाउ वाज इट डिफरेंट from strategy earlier on, because now you are moving closer to your so called exam? So how did you change your strategy, and what did you prepare yourself for in the test and discussion program as well?
Ma'am, till my final year, I was quite thorough with my class notes, which I had prepared in the pre-final and the final year. So
Okay.
now the internship part, I had to just catch up with some extra points and the detailing stuff. So so the TND, the tests, the question bank, the clinical minutes, everything. You do that, and then you are done. That is enough.
Right.
You just
And
need an extra help once you're thorough with your notes.
yes. So Nandita, मुझे ये बताओ, this is a doubt which every aspirant has. How much time was Nandita devoting to notes, and how much time was she devoting to MCQs, or what was the good mix that you were doing?
Ma'am, there was no such demarcation as such, because
Okay.
you need to integrate everything, every kind of stuff that you have. Even the questions that you do, they need to be integrated with your notes. So probably you will do one question, you will get it wrong, and then you'll forget about it. Better you
Mhm.
either make it a picture memory, or add it somewhere, or make a separate register for it, because those are the questions that you will get wrong again.
Right.
So getting your wrong questions right is very important
I
for the
think that's
final
very,
exam.
yeah, that's very, very vital to know what you are lacking at, or what you've done wrong, and sort of go back and work on it. Always helps
Right.
to bring you at the next level. तो मुझे बताओ नंदिता, सारे टेस्ट आप इसी माइंडसेट से देते थे कि आई वांट टू फाइंड आउट वेयर आई हैव गॉन रॉन्ग, और ग्रैंड टेस्ट कब से देना शुरू किया था बेटा?
Ma'am, I did not worry about my rank initially. I just
Okay.
wanted to know my weakness so that I can prepare on that weakness and give the later GTs or the CBTs with a wider knowledge to be able
Great.
to ace those exams. So my
Right.
concept of PND was not getting the rank, but was to find out my weakness and then work on it.
That's such a brilliant thing to say, and I think that's the mindset one should have, because नहीं तो फिर टेस्ट से हमेशा डर लगता है. And
Right.
because of that fear, a lot of students would not give the test, but they would attend the discussions. So,
Mhm.
if I, as a junior, ask you, ma'am, can I only attend the discussion and not give the test because I'm not well prepared? How would you counsel me?
I would simply say that attending a discussion will just give you knowledge what the teacher already has, but
Right.
it will not be able to. You will not imbibe anything until until your brain knows what selectively it has to absorb. There are a lot of things to be absorbed from 19 subjects, and you
Yeah.
don't have that much capacity. You cannot match your teachers with the entire criteria or the numbers that they are versed with. So your mind needs selectiveness right now in internship, so that you only get that when you know your weaknesses. So giving tests is vital, ma'am.
दिस इज आई थिंक ये भी बहुत अच्छी बात बोली है नंदिता ने। और अगर आप नंदिता की प्रिपरेशन देखें, initially her goal was content building, but then she herself said that towards the internship her goal was to go more selective on things which have a higher probability and things which she is weak at. I think ये बहुत बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि इंटर्नशिप में या क्लोज टू एन एग्जाम हम सब कुछ दोबारा नहीं पढ़ सकते, है ना
Correct.
नंदिता?
Correct,
So
ma'am.
रिविजन कैसे प्लान करें नंदिता? So again, I will always pose like a junior who wants to know things, and from a senior who secured such a great rank. So tell me, how should I
Revision.
plan revision?
Revision has to be time based, it has to be schedule based.
Okay.
Probably if you're giving 1 month for one revision, then it has to be completed in that one plus minus 2-3 days, not more
Yeah.
than that. And you will be giving towards the end. I was giving probably some small subjects, the smaller subjects which have less number of questions, probably a day or two, and larger subjects which have 25 questions per se, so probably obs gynae and or medicine surgery, they have 20-25 questions being asked per exam, so those require 2-3 days, but the revision has to be scheduled. It has to be scheduled in a month or whatever time you feel it is right for you.
Right. So, Nandita, since you are talking about revision and different subjects, can you highlight something about INI-CT, exam where you've done so well? Would you want to comment something on the subject distribution, or what, as per you, someone should focus if they are targeting the central institutes?
Ma'am, this particular exam was different from what we have been expecting. We were
Yeah.
expecting long stem questions, clinical
Yeah.
questions more. These were more of, say, one liners or factual questions. So,
Yeah.
uh, probably whatever you have written in your notes, you get a memory of that, and that flashes back. So,
Right.
uh, but then when you are preparing for long term question and you see a factual question, you do tend to get disturbed while in the exam, let's say.
Yeah.
But then, just try to integrate all the subjects into one and try to focus. You have read it somewhere or the other in some form, that is for sure. We have read the content somewhere in some question in some video somewhere, but just try to recollect it while on that. And while preparing for I will just focus on the previous year questions. Previous years are very important. Previous
Yes.
year, probably 4 years should be sufficient, good enough. And from all the subjects, no subject has to be left out. No subject is less important, because this time we saw quite many questions from pharmacology, and
Right.
microbiology was easier as compared to the previous years
Yeah.
what I've seen. So the INI is not a very predictable exam, but then they tend to go back to their own question bank from say 3-4 years, and they try to
Yeah.
mix it up and give it in a different way.
Right. So, definitely, yes, previous year papers are important, and that is why we would always recommend that go through the previous year videos. Did you use those video discussions on the
Sure,
eMedico's
ma'am.
app?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And yes, they actually tell you what topics are likely to be asked. They may ask a different question from it, and
Correct.
sometimes they may repeat a question, but yes, pretty much the topics you should be aware of. And then now if I talk, or if I come more close to the exam, Nandita, जब और कम समय में revision करना है, let's say a week or 10 days before, right? How useful do you think about resources like AIMS capsule or DVT towards your last mile?
Ma'am, they are integrated videos of all the subjects out there, AIMS capsule, DBT, right? So they give you a whole revision of the entire subject in say 1 day or so. For example, you can do the entire obs gynae, the PDFs, the DBT notes that you have made, and along with your notes in 1 day, which is not possible otherwise without concise material. So you need concise material before, like say 15-20 days before the exam, you need something very concise. So DVT is a good source of revision in that time.
And now let's talk about your exam day strategy, बच्चे कितने question आपने attempt किए, and how many do you think, as a rough estimate, do you think you have landed up with correct? Because I know you don't have the details
Um,
from the examination
Ma'am,
body.
I did 194 questions.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, so out of them, how many I correct? that is difficult to say, but
Okay.
my guess will be around out of 196, I might have got, say, a 145 to 145, around like 140 to 150 correct.
Fair enough. Yes. राइट सो यू वेंट अग्रेसिव इन दी पेपर एंड कुछ पेपर के बारे में बताओ जब आप दे रहे थे जैसे आपने बोला यू वर एक्सपेक्टिंग लॉन्ग क्लिनिकल क्वेश्चंस बट देयर वर ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ देयर वर वन लाइनर्स एज वेल एंड देयर वर only spotters, you know, which is quite unusual because when we think of an image based question we think of a clinical history with it, but this time most of them were in the form of spotters. तो मुझे बताओ कि how did you tackle a, you know, when you see a different paper from what you were expecting, so something about how you should tackle on the day of the exam these things.
Exam can be unpredictable, and it can get you in various forms. The questions, then you never know what the examiner is thinking, right? So when you see, for example, a spotter, we had a lot of spotters this time, and
Yeah.
without a clinical history. So I guess spotters is one thing which can be very scoring. Spotters are a good mark for scoring if you're very thorough with the images. So
Yeah.
last, say, 2 to 3 days, focus on image based questions, do the images correctly, and they mostly had images from obs and gynae, and they had cannulas, the normal cannulas, which were expected.
Yes.
But then you need to, at that point of time, just rule out the options. Just rule out the
Yeah.
options. Go by the option and try to find the most probable thing that, and the most common thing that comes to your mind. Don't go with wild answers, vague answers. They will not be
Exactly.
asking vague
Yeah,
answers.
that's true. And
They
and
will not.
since you know we are talking about unpredictability in the exams, and you know, tell me how useful therefore is a simulated exam like a CBT or the mock exams that we conducted.
Mock exams, CBTs, the kind of questions that we are asked are of very good level. Probably, I will say better than the INI level that was asked this time, because they had clinical questions. You had to apply your minds to a clinical question. Factual questions don't test your mind; they just test your rote ability.
Yeah.
So in the CBTs, they are trying our ability to integrate stuff and get our minds working on it. So giving a CBT, giving mock test, getting the real feel of exam, say 15 days prior to exam is very important.
राइट एंड नम्रता अगर मैं बोलूँगी कि अपनी जर्नी को समराइज कर क्योंकि ये लंबी जर्नी थी यू वर स्टडिंग राइट फ्रॉम योर प्री फाइनल ईयर राइट सो इफ यू sort of want to summarize from the beginning to the end, what would you think would be the key things that you did that made you reach to a rank which is so awesome, rank 15 in INICET?
Ma'am, according to me, it's just the notes that you have built, and you need constant dedication and sincerity. Nothing can, no amount of genius can actually match a person who has the ability to sit and study for, say, 15 hours, 16 hours a day. So you need to sit down, you need to get your stuff right in front of you, and just keep on studying. There is no there is nothing but hard work.
That's absolutely true, and I completely agree with you that no amount of genius can overcome hard work. In fact, everyone, rank one, rank two, everybody is putting a lot of effort. Nobody's taking it easy, and that's why things are so competitive, right? So मुझे ये बताओ नंदिता, जब इतना competition होता है, and on top of that there was corona pandemic and things were not to be in the best of the circumstances, there must have been some lows as well, right, when you probably felt that it's getting tough for you to persist. तो उस वक्त कैसे you ensured that you are going on?
I have just gone by one, thinking that when there were lows, there were family problems, there are health issues, there are a lot of issues right now with this COVID thing going on. So I just
Right.
thought to myself that if I lag behind right now, there is a person right behind me who will work little hard right now, push himself, and then get a better rank than me. And I cannot do that. I cannot uh, make myself weak to get somebody else take an edge over me. So
That's
because this is, at the end, you need to ace, and you need to get into that competitive spirit and get into a healthy competition and work for it. So don't let yourself down anytime.
Yes, that's wonderfully put. Remember that the moment you become weak, it's not just that you're alone. So there are other people who are trying hard, and you know, it's
Yeah.
sort of constant work. That's wonderfully put, Bache. And Nandita, आप मुझे ये बताओ, what branch do you want to pursue, beta?
Ma'am, medicine.
Okay.
Uh, Medicine has been my kind of lookout for quite some time now.
Mm-hmm.
But it all depends on the INI counseling, how it goes, what the people ahead of me will choose. So, fingers crossed.
Yes, let's hope for the best. Let's hope you get the branch of your choice and the institute of your choice. They're all wonderful institutes out there.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
I'm sure that whatever branch you take, you are going to excel in it and you're going to do really, really well for the sheer reason that you are very, very dedicated and you're committed to your cause. And
Thank you.
so, Nandita, anything special that you would want to say to people who are listening to you right now and who want to know, who want to take inspiration from you? You've already given your strategy, but anything else that you would want to share with them?
Ma'am, I will just say that NEET is just 40 days from now, and uh, people who have not been able to do very well in INI, they should be back on their toes now and do it for NEET, because this is the last time when they can get away from this madness of the exam giving and then waiting. And they just need to get to their concise notes, concise videos, whatever they have made right now, and do not run after new stuff. Try to consolidate what you already know. You know a lot, you have read a lot all these 3 years, 3.5 years. Just try to concise it, and things will go great.
I think ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात बोली है. So she's motivating you for the next 40 days, and yes, this is, you still have an opportunity, and it's a very big opportunity. NEET PG exam is the biggest exam. It has a lot of seats. So definitely work your work really hard for it. And Nandita, मुझे ये बताओ, अगर मैं आपसे पूछती, I'm not sure whether you will give the exam or not, but if you have to give the NEET PG exam, what exactly would you do in these 40 days?
Ma'am, I will just be revising my. There is this habit where I try to write things out of my notes into another place and then concise it even more. So I
Great.
would be. I make small notes out of it. So
I am too a very, very writing person. I too have to write down everything that I study, even when I teach. So I think
yes,
that really helps because it makes you retain stuff for a very long time.
correct. So I would just be reading that in these 40 days. I will just be trying to, because those are my weak points. I know I tend to forget them, and that's why I have written it somewhere else to be able to do it just before the exam. So these 40 days, focus on your weaklings. They are going to be tested in the exam, and they are the things where you will falter, most likely falter. So don't let those things come into way. When you already know your weakness, work on them.
So I think, yes, very well put. Just focus on the notes you have made for the end time, concise things, selective things, and revision. And along with that, do practice questions and give tests is, what is going to keep you knowing where you are lacking. So that's a wonderful advice, Nandita. So thank you so much for being with us today, and I wish
Thank
you
you so
all the
much.
very best. Your parents are not around; they're off to work. But do give my regards, and we wish them congratulations, because I think they are your pillars of support, and they are one of the reasons why you've reached so far. So, heartiest congratulations, and it
Thank
was
you so
such a
much, ma'am.
pleasure
Such a
to
pleasure, ma'am,
interact with you.
talking to you.
Thank you. Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
God bless you always. Take
Thank
care.
you, ma'am. Take care. Bye bye.